Here's how to make marbled paper with chalk. You need some chalk, you need a popsicle stick or something else to rub with, and a couple pieces of paper. You'll need a bucket of water, and then you take your popsicle stick and you scrape that chalk onto the top of the water where it should float. You can choose several colors. Then when you're ready, you just gently lay your paper on top of the water. Try to make sure that all the paper touches the water, and then you quickly pull it off and that chalk should stick to your paper. Set it aside and do another one. I chose different colors this time. Again, try to get it flat on the surface of the water. Pull it up. Then make sure to bring both of yours over to the drying rack. Here's a couple that I've already done. You can see what the different colors look like. Every one will be different.